So for today's practical, week 8, right? We are supposed to have your prototype demo today. So are you ready? The other day, I was referring to your group list, but then there's no indication of who's the group leader. Therefore, for the prototype screenshot, I simply select one from each group lah. Okay, let me see. This is still empty. Do you guys face any issues in terms of the this week's prototype? Okay, this one I can see there's something in. I wonder whether Daniel is here.
Hi, Miss.
Oh yeah, Daniel, how's your group? Yeah. Or perhaps I should change the student in charge under you.
It's Solomon in charge, Miss.
Is he here today?
Yeah.
Oh, in that case, because there's no feedback, and then Ling also were absent. Okay, so your representative is Wong lah kan? So how about your contribution, Daniel?
Consider okay lah.
Okay, because here you need to every group needs to provide the group member contribution. So I change. Oh, why Lim is Lim here? You didn't notice that your group needs to do the prototype screenshot? Oh yeah, Daniel, you were there during my class yesterday. You didn't inform your group member about
Technically, my group member thought it was just live, live screening. I told them about the screenshot, but they think it's a live. So
Oh, Lim, you didn't notice that you saw something in your Google Classroom? Okay, anyway, because the reason was already mentioned last time. Without this, then it will be difficult for my reviewer to see my marking. Okay, I want to show my reviewer the marks given. Okay, you all can add one more column here for the contribution forgot to add it in. Mm, and then add in the screenshot accordingly. Okay, so that whatever that you have mentioned here, you just do a screenshot and then put it here. And then I will put my marks here and together with the screenshot, then it will be much more easy and convenient for my reviewer to check my marking. And then what else? There's no need for my reviewer to like download your zip file. Okay, and then extract it, open it, and run it, or even to watch today's recording lah. Okay, that's why I mentioned about this previously. Okay, let's see. You are aware of this pula, Lim. Okay, nasib baik. So, just now already changed from your name to Wong's name. Is it okay or I change it back? Okay, Noel. Boleh ba Noel, no problem. The due date is today. No problem. Okay. Let's see. In fact, today I've prepared the practical, but then you all deserve a breather, okay, for your hard work for this particular submission. Oh, in that case, I need to change this one also. So, Wong lah kan? Hmm, oh, is Wong here? He agrees or not? Okay, so let me change this. Siapa sudah tu? Hmm. Oh, Jeremiah, for your group, who was it already? Oh, Nathan. Okay, okay. At least I have one representative lah. So Noel. Okay, I remember Jonathan. Okay, I remember Russell. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then last one, Wong. Okay. I'll include her also. Oh, shall I put a sign? Not yet lah. Okay, I'll just save the draft first, just in case nanti lupa lagi. Practical exercise for today. No practical exercise submission, but I will move this forward to next week. I hope you all like it. You all deserve a breather for today. I make it easier for you all. As long as you all can do all this, you can submit your screenshot already. I make this particular input validation as optional because this one you need to be very creative. You need to do the custom. You need to use the custom validator. Okay, so you can select either using the client side validation or the server side validation. So submission will be next week. And then I've prepared the demo video. So next week lah kan? Okay. Oh yeah, for the next week practical, I've already uploaded it here. Okay. As usual, I will upload this from time to time. Okay. Oh yeah, I actually wanted to show you the FOA ba. Lupa saja. When is the latest? December, September? This is the latest one. Because we are in week 8, we have covered up to validation control. Let's see what do you all need for your final online assessment. Okay, let's see. You should be able to design your web form using the server controls. Okay, and then explain who. Staff ID will be auto-generated. Is it from the database? Okay, I did this one first. Mm, Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. We have covered validation, right? Discuss the importance of validation based on the web form design here, over here. Means depending on your form designer, justify um, justify if validation controls are needed. Hmm. I believe you all can do this. Okay, we have the required field validator, so that is definitely needed if you have the mandatory field, right? And then if you have like require user input for a range, then you can use range validator and so on. So you need to support the answer. 9 marks. Wow. uh, so far I believe this one would be um, personally lah, I'm not sure about you guys, but personally I think validation control is one of the easiest topic. Okay, we have done this server event. Okay, state. I remembered this in our quizzes. Okay. What else? The state management. We have just completed this. For the server side, we have cookies. No. Client side, we have cookie and query string. And then for server side, we have session variable and application variable as well as caching. And then for the cache, it's either page caching or the fragment caching. Fragment caching means partial page caching. Wow, look at these marks. 30 marks, 30 marks from chapter 6. Wow. Okay. Oh, you need to use your own words, the most recent exam. Okay. Okay. So far, it seems like we have covered everything up to validation, correct? Validation control. So meaning, according to this, some particular FOA question, you all are ready for FOA already. Uh, Online leave application. All right. So in fact, this is what I want to show to you all. Um, I want you all to like, even though we don't have any tests for this WAD, it's 100% assignment, right? So you might fail your coursework. Okay, you might fail your coursework if you do not have the basics. Okay, try to go through all the practical exercises, right? And then I hope that with that, you should be able to contribute more in your assignment. For the assignment, the one that I didn't emphasize was where was it? Assignment. I need to consider where was it? Where was it already? Oh, oh, I think it's from my course coordinator regarding the group member contribution. I thought I saw it somewhere. Hang on. Should be in the documentation. Yeah, yeah, in the documentation, this one, the final documentation. So if the individual contribution is say over 100, okay, there are three group members. Let ya, kira dulu. Kalau equal contribution, then it should be 3.33. Okay, but then if it's not, let me see. If the contribution is like only done by 1% or 2%, then there's a high possibility that half of this class would fail my WAD lah. So I'm very concerned about that. What happens if you fail? Ours is 100% assignment. There's no test. Okay, in that case, you need to sit for. So far, I haven't prepared any make good test for RSD. Do you know whether your previous for Noel Noel for your other courses previously, is there any make good given to RSD student? I mean, you're entitled to sit for make good. Oh, okay. Okay. So in that case, I need to prepare make good test. What happen if you fail make good? Then you will fail WAD lah. Okay, the coursework. So when you fail coursework, do you still need to go to the exam? Macam tak payah already. Itulah. That make my, my uh, I have a headache now. Make good assignment. So perhaps yes, perhaps I will do a similar assignment, but then this time done solo lah. Okay, by individual group member. Okay. Yeah. Let me put that in my things to do. Make good assignment. Okay. I'm crossing my fingers now. Okay, thank you. Let me see any more. Okay, Farah, FOS still the same. Need to write it on paper. This is WAD. Hang on, I have so many CC. Because a different CC, they have different requirement. Hang on. Tan Wai Peng. This is for another RSD course. Another RSD course, I use a template and then submit through Google Form because if students submit through Google Form, you cannot like do unsubmit. Once you upload through the upload button via the Google Form, then that's it. So I'm not sure whether for our WAD it is also using Google Form, but template will be given. I think so. Okay, I think so. This time I missed the CCs. I don't know her that well. First time working with her, but I will inform you all, okay, about the FOA. All right. Okay, so any other things? Okay, stop. And yesterday, we haven't completed the what was it? The question, the regular expression. Did any one of you all try the to answer the question? Oh, belum lagi ya. So we get IV that, or you need to remind me. Otherwise, we don't have a answer for that. Okay, I can see that it is possible to be included in the FOA because it's suitable for open book question, all right? The regular expression. Okay, so I think there's no other things that I want to include in my briefing. So if you all are ready, then I will start with the demo, your prototype demo. Let's look at the stream. Okay, from the stream, we have Russell's group. Okay, followed by Nathan's group, followed by Jonathan's group, followed by Wang's group. Just nice for oh, not forgetting Noel punya group, Noel, Kelvin, and Farah. Okay, so shall we follow the sequence? Okay, kan? All right. Okay lah, tak payahlah. Uh, unless you want to show your face to me. Yesterday, you know what happened for my SAD presentation? There's yeah, I always can't recall the specific term. Photo bomb, is it correct? Photo bomb, video bomb. The person who like simply go in your video, your picture, photo bomb. But yesterday was a presentation, and the students need to turn on the camera. And then yesterday, the one who video bomb, is it a video bomb? A meat bomb lah kan? Was a dog. Oh my goodness. Tapi cute oh. A mini poodle. His name is Chimmy. So, oh, so cute oh, the dog. And then he's like, looking at the screen, macam, wow, 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 look at all those people. A mini poodle, white mini poodle. And then before we ended, I requested for Chimmy to make an encore. Oh, Chimmy. A nice meat bomb lah. Very nice. Chimmy, Chimmy. Okay, now I miss my dog at kampung. All right. Let me see. Russell, how's your group demo presentation demo will be like? Are you all going to take turns? Okay, good. So ready with the present the screen. Once you're ready, then I will start the recording. I will record each of your group's presentation. Just let me know when you're ready. You're using Bootstrap. Ready? Shall I start the record meeting?
Yeah, miss.
Okay, yeah. I'll click the record meeting. Anytime you're ready, I click start recording. You can start when you see the record icon is turned on. Okay, so first group, you may start with your prototype demonstration. Go ahead.
Okay, so good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon.
So today I'll be presenting the artist punya account. So first we are going to register an artist. So the name we are going to pick is Jackson John. Password will be password lah, secret. And then after that, we will have our confirm password and the guy's email. So after registering, it will say that you have completed your account and you have to log in again. All right, so this is his profile. Not his profile, this is like when he logged in to the page. So as you can see, it's empty for the time being. And like now we are going to like
Yeah,
post an
it seems
artwork.
lonely. Start posting.
Yeah, okay. So here we can add all the necessary things like the name, the description, the price, and the stock. And like, so we are going to add this, the river, the description, how much it costs, and the stock quantity. And we are going to pick one of the photos. And as you can see, when it's done, we can just press the post artwork. So once when it's successfully posted, it will show one message like that. And as you can see, it has been posted here. And like,
Can
so
I
now if you
see
press
the
on it,
database?
Um,
Where is it stored? You can go to your app data.
the image is stored in a folder while the path is stored in the database.
I want to see the table for this artist gallery.
Okay, close it first. Then.
So do you store the path, file path?
Yes.
Okay, excellent.
yes.
Okay, continue, Ivan. Thanks, Russell.
Hold on.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
So we
okay.
need to log in again. And as you can see, this is the picture that we added just now, one of the arts. And like once when you press it in, it will show everything, the description, the name, the price, and how many stocks. And as for here, we are going to update the stock to, let's say, 6 or 7. 6 lah. Ah, okay, so once when it's done, just press update, and as you can see, it's updated. And for now, that's all from me. I will pass my presentation to Celine.
Hello. Hello. Okay.
Oh, before Celine starts, I saw a search button just now. Does it work?
Yeah,
Yeah, it works.
you can type anything. You can press enter, or you can click the search button, and it will show the results. So, for example,
If it's a random
Okay,
name, it
good.
will just show like that.
Excellent. Celine can proceed.
Okay. So we will present about the customer part. So first we will create a new customer. So username will be art lover 123 and password. And then email maybe art lover. Yeah, 123. Yeah, and then we can just register customer. Then we can continue. Then we can just log in. Then we will go into the customer page where there is a gallery where customer can buy the artwork. So when you click on an artwork,
Select autumn. Autumn. I
so
want to buy this.
so this is the artwork page. So there will be like the artwork description and all. So in this artwork page, we can add the artwork to the wish list. When we press on the
I
heart,
want to get two of this. One for my house in Pinampang, one for my house in Papal. Can I buy two at one time?
yes, you have to change the quantity to 2 and then add to cart.
We talk about the wish list first, lah.
Okay. So when we add the artwork to wishlist, we have to click on the heart, and then the art will appear on the wishlist. So we go back to the artwork description. So when we want to buy the artwork, we want to buy 2 of it, and then we can just add to cart, and it will be added to the cart, and it will appear on the my cart page. Then we can proceed to check out. Here we have our checkout page where we have to fill in our address and the bank numbers, and also choose the bank account. And then we can proceed to checkout. And then after we have successfully ordered, it will display the order ID and the date. And then we can go back to gallery again. And that is all for the customer. Oh wait, yeah. And then the ordered item will appear on the my order page where we can view the order detail, and the order detail will be here. And that is all for the customer page.
Explain the order status, please.
It's the order status of whether the item is pending, delivered, or refunded, for example.
Okay.
I can elaborate on this. Hold on now. Autumn is by Baptas. Okay. So now I will talk about the remaining functions. So first, when you add an item to a wish list, you can add it and remove it from the wish list. And say this is Meadows, right? By Jingle. Okay. So the item will remain in the wish list, and if I log in as Jingle, say I update the price to be slightly cheaper, update. And when I go back in my wish list, I can see that there is an updated price.
Russell, you should have given me a discount. Do the same thing for autumn.
Um, so-
Jackson John.
oh wait, no, the artist.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Autumn is by I don't remember who is it by. Unfortunately, the discount doesn't really apply to your order after you made the order, so you can update the price, but it won't necessarily update your. It won't change your payment.
Oh no, I shouldn't have paid it first.
So it'll still be the one you paid for earlier.
I'm so sad.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Ya,
All right, no,
menyesal beli dua satu kali.
no, I see the problem now. No, I see a problem now.
I
Um,
I think I should call the artist first. Is there any discount? Then I go and
no,
purchase
no,
it
miss,
online.
no, miss, I see a problem right now. It still it calculates based on the current price, not the price it's bought at. So the payment shows
Because
the
it's already been committed, is it?
the
Already
order's committed, but I didn't store any the pricing for when it was purchased. Miss, miss.
Yes, yes.
Um, right. I see a problem right now. The price is calculated based on the current price, not it didn't store the price it was bought at.
Because this one has already been uh, I mean the transaction is already done, bahkan.
the transaction is done, but the order history displays it based on the current
Oh,
price.
is this the order history?
Yeah, this is the order history right now.
Then it shouldn't be like that, lah, kan?
Yeah, I shouldn't be like that. Okay.
Okay, put
Then
it into your things to do.
yeah, then you can check out the artists. You can email to them, or and you can click on their name and view their artwork in a separate gallery. You can just view here. You can't really add to cart because this function to view the artists can be accessed by both the customer and artist. So I can do that. Hit the gallery. Um, then for the cart, once you add an item to the wish list, if you add it to cart, it will be removed from the wish list. Yeah, this swing was added to the wish list, but it was removed after you edit the cart. And then you can change the quantity. You can delete the item or you can empty the cart. And then you can check your profile. Artists can also check their profile. As for the order status, the artist can manage the order. So not the entire order, just for the requested artwork. So I can update the order status to be completed, for example. Yeah.
So am I buying for autumn?
No, I think this was another one that I made earlier in the sample. Let me check. Mm, this was because we pressed twice, I think, from a different account. So I can check my orders and this how it's shipped.
Mhm.
Okay, so that's all from us, I guess.
Okay, so looking at the rubrics, is there any of the requirements that your group yet to include in this particular prototype?
I don't think so. For part one, right?
Yes. So as long as you include everything, the requirements, Yeah, nice website kan, Noel? Yeah, the requirements, the in the screenshot, I can make sure you show everything, all the screenshot. Then I can give more marks on that one. Okay.
And yeah, open.
Okay. So thank you so much. Good job. I would say in terms of the GUI design, excellent. Okay. So yeah, memang nampak legit lah kan, Farah. Okay. Let me see. Second group, are you ready? Who's going to present the screen? For group two,
Wong will be presenting the screen.
okay. You will take turn to present kan?
I think we one go say everything.
Siapa?
We all say
Why?
Yo.
You already have your script ready?
no script lah. I think just
I
one
want
go.
to,
I think
okay lah. Jeremiah, say hi to me.
Hi, Miss.
Oh, begitu pula Yoswan. You say hi, then I can recall your face. Okay, good. How eh?
he's setting up his computer.
He's not going to talk kan?
I think he is.
Okay,
Basically
no,
my screen.
just from your voice, I can remember your face already. Okay, good. Okay lah, okay lah.
Okay, so
So if you're ready, I start the recording.
yeah,
Okay,
you can start
Miss.
the recording now.
Oh, I like the banner. What so let's explain about your design. Is that a banner?
Yeah,
Uh,
it's a banner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Macam I want to go to your sales gallery now. So Nathan, later can I make a request like what I make or what I did for with the first presentation?
Yeah,
Boleh kan?
sure, no problem.
I'm imagining I have my money. Okay, I haven't spent my Chinese New Year ang pao yet. Not ang pao lah, bonus. Okay, I'll click the record meeting now. This is nice about website. I can imagine you're buying things from online, even though it's just students. But then after, okay. So second group.
Okay,
Okay,
so firstly we need to log in as a customer. We need to register as a customer. So firstly we need to put the name, fill in the name, the last name, and the username. Then we type the password.
I mean, there's a bit of validation at the moment, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
You all added in after our class yesterday, or you all did the
This one-
research much more earlier?
not much
Earlier.
of validation, maybe of like basic only. Yeah.
Okay, HTML5 is it?
A bit
Or
of
script?
the required validator. Yeah.
Okay.
Nathan, customer, right?
Yeah, customer.
Favorite color.
So after creating, we can see the gallery already.
So for like labels of like view gallery, if you're at the home page, it will display as register an account or log in, yeah, to view anything. It changes the labels for this one. It changes every like after every login. If you log in as customer, it's different. If you log in as artist, it's different.
And for the navigation
for customer is also different as different than has different view from artist as well. Like customer have gallery, wishlist, and purchase history.
For the gallery, we have some dummy data, which is by two artists, Aaron and Ben. And this
Ben Picasso.
and if the customer wants to wishlist an artwork, then they can press wishlist, and you can cancel or confirm. If you confirm the record, you already have an existing record in your wishlist, yeah, so you cannot wishlist another one. You can check it here. I think the account messed up. But wait, for the account, yeah. Like for Nathan, if you wishlist, yeah, the record exists because it's in the record, yeah.
Yeah, because it is inside the record already, the wishlist.
And you can remove or buy it straight away. If you move, then there's a prompt message. Yeah, then it'll be removed. Next, to buy, you can straight away order from the gallery. Like if you want to order, wait, oh, there's dummy data for an order already. Yeah, so
Are you all going to demo the buying of the art?
Yeah, we
yeah,
can order now.
yeah, you can
But
order
then
now.
I don't like any of the three picture. Do you have any other available picture that artists can post?
Yeah, we
Yep.
can log in as an artist. Then we post the image.
Yeah, I don't want to buy yet. I don't like three of the picture. I don't like. I hope you all have lots of available picture to upload. Berapa? At least one, two,
Not much.
two, three.
Let me try search for some.
Then let me see. Then I will choose which one you should upload because I am in buying the artwork.
Do you have some ready artworks? Or?
Tiada,
Yep.
you don't have?
Oh, I have. Yeah, I have one artwork. Yeah. Wait.
Yeah. You need to demo artists posting the artwork.
Flowers. Flowers. Then there's some validation for this one. Like when if you didn't enter the price, yeah, you have to enter the price. If you didn't upload the file, then it
Change the
validates.
price. Change the price.
Oh
no. Before okay, you just set it as 500. Later, I want you all to go and update it.
You can return to the gallery, check for the picture. Yeah. Then after that, you can edit the price if you want, like 150. Then you update. It'll update the price. Next. Miss, is the artwork nice enough?
Yeah, do you like it?
No, not that's why I'm not responding. I don't feel like buying artwork. Okay. Let me get. Celine. You choose. Which artwork should we buy? Is Celine here? The bird. Buy the one with the bird.
The
Okay,
but
thanks,
let me
Celine.
log out of the account, then log in as the customer account. You can either wishlist or straight away order if you want. Let's say you'll prompt a message before ordering. That'll bring you to the
I
order
want to buy
page.
four.
Or 4. You
Ah,
can't buy 4 because yeah, limit. The stock is 3 only.
try lah. Tak boleh?
Can't select 4.
Okay lah. Celine, how many do you want to buy? Two. It's a good thing that you all use the list box, the drop down list box.
Then there's a confirmation page where it shows the total price and the price of the artwork. After you press confirm, it'll bring you to a payment page. Uh, oops. Name. After you click pay, it'll prompt a message saying that you have successfully placed an order, and you'll be redirected back to the gallery, and the stock number will decrease. Yeah. Then you can view your purchase history in the purchase history page. I think that's it.
Okay, good job. How about the rest? Do you all have any question or any request for them? Request to show something? Anyone? Okay, so thank you, group two.
Okay, thanks, Miss.
Thank you, miss.
Hopefully you all include all the necessary screenshot for me. Okay, next group is Jonathan's group. Is
Okay.
Nathan group ready?
Uh, Chuck and Elvin ready?
Ready?
Okay.
So everyone's going to present?
Yep. I will be presenting first, then Elvin, and then Chuck. Take turn.
Okay.
Okay. So let me let the. Oh, okay. Hold on. Okay, there you go. All right.
Hang on.
Okay.
Let me know, then I can click start recording.
Okay. Miss, you can start.
Start. You don't
Yeah,
want
yeah.
to show your
Hmm?
page first?
Or
Okay.
I mean, I just explain like what is our process like that. First start.
Okay, so I'll click start recording.
Okay.
Hang on.
All right. Good.
So through my start. I
Okay.
group three.
Okay. So good afternoon to Miss Melissa and everyone.
And
So
then
today our group will be presenting our website. So before we start, I will briefly explain how does our system work. So we will use we have a master page included. So every page will look the same. So if I click to master page, and then it will go. This what the header will display in every page. So this is consistent. Notice that the hyperlinks will be different. So later on I will demo it as well. So we have a sitemap here. There's a login view here. So this one can toggle, like if it's login, then it will show the username. If it's log out, then it will say login like that. Okay. So for the sitemap, it's basic stuff. So our homepage is a homepage, and then we have different sections like customers, artists. So we will set different authorization pages for each of the corresponding roles. So we have artist role and customer roles as well, the anonymous people that they can access. For the database, we will have several database tables. So to name a few here, we will have art to store our art stuff, artist and customer to store our
can you show
account.
table
Sure.
for art?
For art, we have sorry, this is the table. So for art, we have some data fields. So we have an ID, the name, description. This is the art image path. So we will store the art image path for the price, the stock, and as well as the corresponding artist ID.
Okay, good. So you continue from just now lah. Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. So continue. There's customer and artist database. So this one you store the artist and customer details. And then we have orders. So this one we will store the confirm orders. So this is the paid orders lah. And we have a wish list, payments, a cart as well, and then there's an order list to store like each orders uh, ordered items. So if you see ordered list, if you say the link order ID and then the art ID that it contains. So this one it links to both art and order lah. So that's basically the simple database structure. Okay.
Can you explain a bit more regarding the your process in the buying of the arts? Because just now you mentioned about you have the confirm order.
Mm.
Mm.
Later Shaq will demo about that.
Or check.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just explaining the basic fundamentals first. Okay. So now we will move to the demo. Oh, for our web config, we have separate web config as well for both data and customer. It will deny all the anonymous users lah. So only anonymous users can access to the root menus, root pages here, which I will talk about it. Okay, so when you run it, let me drag to hold on, Windows 11 stuff. Okay, okay. So when you run it, it will redirect it to here. Oh, what happened? Hmm. Let me refresh, rerun it. Okay, so if we go here, it will be greeted. So like I explained just now, our master page, there's the hyperlink. So the hyperlinks will hide all the hide and display the accessible web pages. So now we are currently as a anonymous user. So it only displays these two. So meaning we only can go to these two website. Okay. And then we also have a login page, a register page for customer, as well as an artist page. So this is only the anonymous users can access the web pages. I explained the artist list first. So artist list, everyone can view this. So if you are an anonymous user, then it will display this. So if you're login, then it will not display this. So if we click on one of the artist name, let's say Mr. IDK, so it will display like the the artworks that it will be posted by that has been posted by Mr. IDK. So if I click this one, then it will show the display artworks for USRP artists like that. Okay, so let's start with our login. So let's say I log into my uh, 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 user, one of the user, a registered user. So if I log in, they will redirect it to the customer site. So all these customer web pages will be displayed on here. You can navigate through it. Later Shark will also demo it. And then this is the page, the customer page. So the same thing goes to artists. Let's say I go to Mr. IDK's page, they will redirect Mr. IDK to the accessible web pages by artists lah. So artists they can do everything. So I will give Alvin to explain the admin side. So he will start by registering the new artist first. Okay, Alvin.
Hello. Okay. So if the artist still didn't have account, he will go here to register,
Uh,
and then will directly to log in, and then uh the artist will can see the account details. They also can change the password at here, and then they can post the ad, choose their ad name, what name they want to put, and also choose their file and the description they put the description. Also the ad price, and then the ad stock they add the details, and then upload it. So they will here see their posted ad at here, and then they can edit their ad details if they want to change, or they stock have changed, like they edit their ad details from here, and edit price, stock, description, and then name, and then update.
I want to request add post another art, please.
all right. Miss, what art do you want?
Uh, the one that suits my preferences. Oh, puppies. Is there any pictures of puppies?
Okay, so let's say we want this one. Okay, let's say we want this one. Okay, save image.
Just select one of them.
Download. Okay, so now I post puppies. Adorable puppies. Choose image. Download. Let's make it very expensive.
No. I want to buy 5 of them.
Oh,
Give me
okay. 5 of them, then $1 only.
RM1.
10
Okay
ringgit.
lah, puppy.
Okay.
Okay lah, RM10. Okay.
Okay. Maybe stock I put at 10 first lah. So later it will be updated. Later Shark will demo about this too. So I upload, then you can show. Ooh, puppies here.
Oh, I want another one puppy. This one is brown.
Brown. Okay. Puppies.
Golden retriever, white color.
Okay, this is it.
So cute. Okay. Now I can take part with the buying of the arts later. Okay, thank you.
Okay, let me add this one up to 50. This one's better. Let's say 60. So you can view. Oh, it's over here. Okay. So that's it for the artist lah. So basically, artists can post, can view, can edit stuff. Maybe you want to edit the name, let's say, description, uh, cute beast, I guess. Golden retriever. Let's say 5 lah. Then it will also update. So that's basically the artist lah. So as I was mentioning, if you are an artist, then it will not display like the click here to register as artist thing. Okay, so I will pass to Shaq to demo about the customer side. So I will begin with customer account. Okay,
Okay,
Shaq.
first we create a new account for the customer.
Okay, so this one is Lisa likes. Oops, typo. Okay, so password. Okay, let's use Hotmail. Okay, create.
Melissa likes dog.
So in the customer,
Okay, login.
okay, so in the customer page, you can see the customer detail also, same as the artist one, and also can change the password also. After that, on the so we can view the art gallery. You can see here, and the love you can add for the wish list and the add to cart also lah. You can see the detail, all the art detail here. Yeah. After you add the wish list, it will display the inform like this lah. And after you add the add to cart, also same as the wishes like this. Okay, we go for the wish list. So in the wish list, you can see all the detail lah. You can delete the wish list also lah.
Remove.
Yeah, so your wish is empty, start browsing art. Yeah, here. So we go for the order art. Okay, order art there also can be removed like this. So in the order art, you can see all the detail there, the quality and the price and how many stock left. And the
I
quality
want
order.
the 5 golden retrievers. Five. Okay, thank you. I cancel that one. Delete.
Okay. Oh,
Okay,
before
thank
that, I add
you.
a bit. Okay, so this order quantity has a bit of a coding as well, logic lah.
Uh-huh.
So the logic is that if it's less than 1, then you cannot minus lah. But you cannot
Ah.
over the over
Yeah.
stock. So let's say this one is 10. If I add to 10, then you cannot add already. It's max already because this one is only 10. So you only can order like the errorable stuff. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Delete.
Shaq, continue. Delete. Okay. Okay.
Okay, we confirm order. And you can view the art and you can choose for the bag name, the card number also lah, and the delivery address. Okay, we click play and it will display the interface. I think for the purchase pages lah. After we do the purchasing, you can view the order history at the order history button there up the navigation. Yeah, order history. Yeah, you can view here lah, all your history.
5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So Miss just now, Russell's group didn't update the price, right? I already did that already. Okay. So if we go back, if we change the price, it will still display the price that we bought. Yeah. So
Okay.
let me demo lah. Demo for
Kasih demo dulu.
Elvin Rocks. Okay, Elvin Rocks. View art. Let me update. Maybe this one let's lower it to 25 maybe. Update.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
so
yes. Half price.
25. So if I log out and I go back to this, okay. Then if I go to order history, wait, let's check at the art gallery. So here is 25 ringgit. And then if we go back to order history, then it will display it as, oh, what happened? But it's here, but it's, if you see here, then it's still 25 ringgit. Okay. Something wrong. Just now I
Where's
checked, it's okay.
my
But never mind, I will fix that. Just now I checked it's okay, but now it's something wrong. I don't know. Yeah,
I
but if
try to log out first. I want my discount.
um something wrong. Let me try check again. Something wrong.
Yeah, you're correct, Kelvin. Pandai-pandai saja kan. In that case, then I should like request for cancellation, correct? Mm-mm.
Yeah, but yeah, I will fix this lah. Okay. Apart from that, I don't think I have any other details. Let me see. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that is all. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's all, is it? All right, so good job. I'll stop the recording now. Oh, Russell, you almost done amending yours. Well done. Don't worry, my deadline is today, means before midnight. Say, for example, you have done something extra, means not included during your demo. You can still add in the screenshot. Okay, add in the screenshot into your documentation, but then you can like put a note there, uh, updated, something like that. Okay. If you all want to do your screenshot, please choose a nice picture for me to see. Soothing of eyes. In fact, just now I don't like autumn. I saw the one with the swing. In terms of like scenery, I like scenery like that. I like cute things like puppies, fluffy things, flowers. But I want those very nice, gorgeous flowers. Mm. Am I asking too much for your screenshots? A bit. Okay. How about we go for a short rest? Okay, let me say 5 minutes. Okay, toilet break, and we'll continue with the rest of the. I think we have two more presentation, right? Okay. See you guys. Okay, I'm back from the toilet. Uh, the update pricing and order history. Okay, you just showed the proof in the in your documentation. Okay. Now, shall we get the fourth group to present? Who's going to present the screen? Wong, is it you? Is Wong here? Okay.
Miss, can you hear me? 他没有听到我讲。Oh, sorry. Can you all see my screen? Black, okay. Hold on,
Yeah, black screen.
I think now can see my screen, Miss.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so I will start our group WAD assignment demo lah. So
Wong, so far I haven't heard your voice. Okay. But let me see. Yeah, I can still, I cannot recall your voice. So you need to talk more. Okay.
Wow, Miss Wong. Yeah, he'll present later, Miss. He'll present at the last. Later we'll pass to him. So can I start my demo now?
Okay. So
Okay,
Lily
so
will go first.
yeah, I will go first. So good afternoon, Miss,
Good
and
afternoon.
also
Oh,
my
hang on. I start click the,
record.
yes.
Yeah.
All right. Group 4, you may start now.
All right. Good afternoon, Miss, and also my other fellow
Good
coursemate.
afternoon.
So I will start my WAD demo assignment. So let's just go to the homepage first. So this is the homepage of our artwork website. So I treat myself as a regular customer who is the first time go in this website. So I went into this website first for the first time, and then I want
One
to
moment, yeah. Can you click hide
hide.
the
Oh,
Google?
this one. Oh, okay.
Okay, thanks.
So let's say I want to add to wishlist, or yeah. So the system say I must log in first before I can add to my wishlist. And also same goes to the buy. Also, it wants me to log in first. So let's say I have no any account yet. So let's head to register, and I register a new user first. So let's say this is my username. I want it to be, and this is my full name, my password, and my email. So let's just register. And you can notice that the login and register button is now disappear. So let's go to the database first. See whether the new user is updated in the. So yeah, the new Barnet is here.
Right. I can see that.
Yeah, the trend is just now 3 25. So let's just head back to the account first. This one add to wishes and buy I will later pass on to Daniel. So I won't touch here first. Let's just head to the my profile first. Well, I registered already, so now I have to log in. Where's the username? So the password Daniel. Wait a second. Why it takes so long? Hmm. Oh, hold on. Let's just rebuild the whole project again. Back to the home page. And then we try to register and log in again. Lucky duck. New lah. Uh, hmm. 652. I think something went wrong to the new
How
user.
about you use the
Yeah, existing one. The one we have just now. So we use this one, blue duck. Something wrong with the compilation. Okay, let's just say I'm logged in already. I'm the user who created my account just now. So let's head to my profile. And now I try to view my profile details. So I want to update, let's say I want to update my name, the username and date train cannot be updated because it's set by this one cannot be changed. This one is the what normal website will do, and the date train cannot be changed. So this one I change to king. This one, let's say 123. The password change to 59AB. So update, and then we head back to the database. Show again. The one I use is this one. Small. This one. Oh, I see. This is now gone. The new account I created just now. So this one is the one I changed just now. 435. And also the king I updated just now. Yeah, Ian, you try to say something.
Miss left the meeting.
Oh, it's not Ian. Hmm? Oh my god. Wait for Miss come back then.
I'm back.
Oh yeah, it's recording. So Miss, you here?
Like the
Wait.
recording is still here. My laptop suddenly restarted. Okay.
Oh, I see.
So just now, were you able to use any of the existing
Yeah. I
usage?
managed to log in as this one, the blue duck. It already existed one,
Okay.
not the one I registered just now. So this one I use the current one, and then I try to update the the uh, the profile details. This one again. It's just trying to close it and open it again. Log in again. Use the one we updated just now. Oh, I think it refreshes the database again. So the user is not correct. Yeah, it refreshes the one I edited just now. I have to do the whole step again. So I use the existing one. down 435.
All right.
The Loretta again. So log in. Hey, what? Why it takes so long? Hmm. Hmm. Wait. I rebuilt my project again. Run again. This time I used the small snake. Small snake. Log in again. Small snake. Pet. Log in and then go to my profile. Try to edit something. Sullivan. The Bosman. 35353. Yeah, update. So head back to the database. So 435. Postman. Yeah, this one, Postman. And also 43 I added just now. Yeah, so it's successfully added in the database now. So this one we go to home now. Now that I have my account, I should be able to add the item, the artwork to my wishlist and also buy them. So this part I will pass on to the new
So,
will present now.
Tim, before you pass to the next person, what seems
My,
to be the problem, yeah, just now?
I think it
To summarize.
refreshes it every time I try
Let me
to.
explain, I think.
Yeah.
Means
Yeah.
our database can, every time we rerun the application, database will reset. So, yeah. So when Lim
So
trying to access the data during the app is running, right, it will cause this error lah.
So, is this something that can be improved?
No, it's not a problem, so don't need to improve.
Okay, proceed.
Okay, I'll post on to the new.
Okay, I will
Stop
proceed
presenting.
to uh, you see my screen? Okay. As we already know, we will log in first to before we starting to buy anything, because you have to log in first to buy an hour. So we proceed. This is one we use. Are using one of the existing user account.
So, is Tiny Elephant 574 is a customer or an artist?
This part they can become both. So actually we're referring to other website that they can that make user can be both as a seller and a customer both. So one of the we choose we choose Kingfisher, right? The quantity itself, the address, So we calculated how much quantity that the user want, the customer want. So we can choose the four calculate, and it will display the total price because we're using the unit price multiplied by the quantity, and we also plus with delivery fee 35 ringgit. So to confirm order, we confirm it. So it will display you have successfully ordered the item and you will receive the item soon. So we can see the purchase history as we know that they have buy. They will show the details itself, the artwork details, every details, and how much they already have paid for it. So we also so the user also can become the seller. So we upload a photo. We choose a photo. We choose a tiger. We call it and we choose a category. We choose it paint as painting. Unit price we choose out how many. There's like 12k, 12k 500. So we put it quantity 9. We put it at itself. It will show itself in my artwork. So we can edit also as we want. We can choose it like stock. We change to from 9 to 16. We can lower the price itself to 2000. Save it, and it will save it. Save it.
Can I see whether it is updated in your database?
Later I change. This part I will let Solomon explain it as he will explain this part. So we continue to wishlist as they want to add this part is add to wishlist to add some of picture before they want to buy it. So we choose one picture. So we choose from enlightenment, and it will call it. It will display a message. The artwork has been added to your wish list. It will display. So they can remove it, one of the picture, if they want. Are you sure about it? Yes. No. Well, in the meantime, we say yes. So if one of the user want to buy the picture there, they can say buy it. The quantity itself is like 2. The address itself. Calculate. it will display the total price by calculating the unit price of the artwork multiplied by the quantity plus with delivery fee, and we display the total price. We will confirm and you have successfully ordered the item. By itself, it will display in the purchase history. Now I'm gonna continue my presentation to Solomon.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
Hi, Miss. So I think I will take any question since somehow Daniel presented all my part. For the database just now, because our app we use entity framework as a model layer for our database. So which means we don't do a database ourselves. We just write the code, and then the code will configure everything the database for us lah. So because of that,
Can you repeat, Wong?
the problem that you see just now, whereby the database problem, is because our database we didn't write any table. We write the code, and then the code create the database table and all the column for us.
Or are you using entity framework?
Yeah, entity framework. Yeah, so this is why when the application is running, you try to access the database and make some changes, and then the application will throw exception.
Okay, noted. Entity framework, ASP.NET.
Yeah.
Can you show to me?
Uh, so this is all the model. This is all the model.
How do I check that this table were produced or generated by the entity framework?
You go to the
Check.
global there. Yeah, it initialized the database here. During the application
Okay.
start, it initialized the database. And then the initializer strategy just now I set to drop database away. So which means every time the application restart, the database will drop and then recreate again.
Yeah, I saw the message just now. Let me see. How about the project? You use which project when you created this?
Miss, can you repeat the question?
Because from Microsoft Visual Studio, we can select several. We have several choices. So you choose a empty project, is it?
Yes, empty.
Empty project. Okay, thank you. Continue.
Uh, So for our homepage, we have search. The search you can search by like this lah. You can search, and then you also can have filter function. You can filter the artworks is from which category. And then if you find the artwork you
I
want,
want to buy the white puppy later. Yeah.
now you can add to wishlist first, and it will inform you that because just now I wasn't logged in, so it will inform me to log in first before adding the artwork to my wishlist. So it will bring me to the login page, and then I log in. Wait, yeah, I need to edit again. Only after I log in, I can add the artwork to my wishlist. And then it will inform me the artwork has been added to my wishlist. So if I try to add it again, it will tell me that the artwork is already exists in my wishlist. So when I go to my wishlist, I have this is the it is display in the based on the order lah, the order of the date which is it is added. So I have two choices lah. I either want to buy it or remove it from my wishlist. So if I buy it, it will bring me to the purchase artwork page where I will enter the quantity that I want. It will automatic calculated lah when you change the quantity. You input the address, then you confirm order. It will inform you that you have successfully ordered the item. When I go to my purchase history, I can see that it is on the top of the list. If I click show detail, it will show me the artwork that I just bought lah. And for the upload, yeah, now the new already presented. I think that is all from us lah, miss.
How about the updating? After updating, I asked Daniel to show the updated value.
The artwork. Okay, so this is the artwork uploaded by user. I will start from here lah. This is the artwork that I add just now. I can change the stock, change the painting to drawing or so. I also can change the name. Then I save. I go to the home page. Yeah, you see it already changed to the updated version. Yeah, I also can delete it, and it is gone. That's all lah for the edit the artwork.
All right, good job. Thank you so much. Please include the additional info, yeah, Wong, regarding your database you're using entity framework. All right.
Okay, miss.
Is there any other additional thing that you add into the project? Meaning it's not a part of the assignment requirement?
Only the entity framework, I think.
Okay, entity framework. Oh yeah, I have another question. Why do you decide to use the entity framework?
So because you use the entity framework, right, it create a layer between your code and the database, and it will handle all the database detail for you lah. So for example, if I write any, so if example I write query kan, the query I just have to, for a save artwork query, I just have to write like this, and then it will handle everything for me lah. I don't have to write insert and then do the parameter, all those detailed thing, which is very
Hang on now.
messy lah.
So using, is that like a constructor?
It means
New
that
artwork?
this chunk of
You are
code.
creating. Sorry.
It means the using means that this chunk of code kan, after it execute, all the variable in this chunk of code will be
Will be generated into the table.
garbage collection. Yeah. So
Mm.
entity framework allow us to handle the database with the code lah. So the artwork table, I treat it as an artwork object, and then I create an artwork object. I add to the database, and then I save change, and just like that, I added a new record.
Okay, very clear. How about if say for example there is we want to set roles for different user, is there any such thing like you that you use in your project, the membership?
we didn't use the SQL membership provider because we encounter many problem while using the SQL membership provider. So we just use the normal user table lah, just like this. The user ID, username, password, email, and also we don't have any role. Both the user can be artist and also can be customer.
Okay, noted that. Include that in your as one of your caption now. All right. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I'll stop the recording now. Oh, almost run out of time. Last group. Last group. Are we overtime sekejap? Okay, and another thing, can you all include README, a simple README for me? At least you all can give me your username and password lah. Okay. Yeah, Russell. Project name. You can name your own project. Noel, are you the one who's going to present the screen? Okay, everyone will present, is it?
No, just me.
Oh, okay. Why? Everyone presented just now. Farah, Kelvin?
So far, like no contribution.
Yeah.
No. How about Kelvin?
Also no.
So meaning my make good assignment is for both of you lah. You all will stay back, meet the new juniors. Mau rotan ini doa. Can I go over there and rotan both of you? My goodness. Let me see. Oh, I'm not recording, makan.
Yeah.
Okay. This need to be fixed. How can I make sure that next time for the 60% prototype extension that both of you will contribute?
How?
Yeah, macam mana? I need to make sure that both of you contribute. Otherwise, then it seems like you all are both of you are giving up already. It's already it's in week 8. Fail the coursework means you fail you fail this course. There's no point for you to go to the exam. There's no test. It's 100% coursework. Part 2 is 60%, but then for part 1 it's like 40% kan. Out of the 40%, then you already it will contribute to the learning outcome number 2, which is a practical skill. It means that in the system, if I enter the marks, if it's a 0 contribution, then both of you will get 0. This is a serious matter.
Yeah.
I didn't expect 0 contribution. Whoa, Kelvin.
Couldn't because I didn't know what to do also. Yeah.
You cannot give me that reason.
Yeah, that's the only excuse I can.
That's the only excuse.
Yeah,
So
because I didn't know.
are you going to just simply fail my WAD error? You fail the assignment means you fail the course. This is a 100 assignment, 100%. Noel, you're supposed to inform me. At least like it's before the prototype demo. Really 0. Okay, Noel, let me know how much have you covered?
Just a bit only. Yeah, there's still many features lacking. Yeah.
Okay, if the rest of y'all agree, shall we give this group a chance to demo? Let me see, next week. How about the rest? Can we give chance to these three boys? Other groups? Boleh? Hmm, thank goodness you all are very nice. You are so nice. Okay. Farah, nanti kalau I jumpa, I meet you somewhere, memang I bawa rotan, no? Kelvin, memang mau rotan. Noel pun mau kena rotan juga nih. You should have informed me earlier. Ay, sorry. Luckily the other decided to give you all a chance. Okay, let's make it this way. You can like find out from the other how to like just start with getting some ideas first. I give you all 1 week and then present your uh, 1 week lah, next Thursday. Boleh?
Okay.
Noel, okay?
I try.
But then before that, show me what you have first. Okay, I will record that.
Okay.
Kelvin, okay kah?
Okay, okay. Didn't
You're
manage
going to contribute this time kan, Kelvin?
Huh?
You're going to contribute kan?
I try to finish lah.
No. You can try. Nanti you give me another excuse saying that your laptop is slow. Okay, no more excuses. Okay.
Same.
Okay, and Noel, can I record what you have at the moment?
Okay.
Let's do a short overtime. Sorry that you'll have to hear me nagging.
So can start, right?
Okay, I click start recording, yeah. Oh, at least I can see you are doing using the login controls. Okay, you
Yeah,
can proceed, Noel.
So this one I just follow from the practical, 100%. Then so
Yes,
if I
the most important thing is for you all to be able to apply what we have covered. That's the minimum. So if you all can apply what is what we have covered in the practical exercises, means you have achieved the learning outcomes. Yeah. So that's my minimum expectation. Okay, proceed, Noel.
so for login and register page is for all the users lah, for unauthorized users to access this page. So since we already have the information, we just login. So this is the home page, and there are only 2 paintings in the database. Yeah, so it display all the database. I mean the paintings. Show the painting name and the painter. But this button doesn't work. And secondly, we go to the upload paintings, and we click this button, then submit. And if we see from the so the image is already added in the file. This one. Oh, yeah, that's it.
Not bad, Noel. In fact, this is what we have covered. I can see combination of the several practicals that we have, right? Okay, so
Yeah.
Okay, any more that you can show me?
Oh yeah, and the master page also we just apply like this, simple.
Yeah, I can see.
Basically,
Yeah, I can see. Can you show me the code for the master page?
Oh.
So you include the image, is it?
yeah,
Image, the sitemap, and then the navigation. Is that a tree structure?
yeah, 3.
Okay, excellent. All right, so is there any more? No more, right?
No, yeah.
Okay, so I'll stop the recording. Okay, so I really hope this group can present the prototype demo next Thursday. How about the rest of y'all give your know-how to this group? Okay, sharing is caring kan? Hmm. Okay, so it's already for 2 minutes. I think we can end our meet. So I'll see y'all next week. Bye-bye. You're welcome.